Hello friends, good afternoon. In this video, I'm gonna tell you that how can you access the applications that are not showing in your desktop mobile. Here you can see a lots of applications, but I need Google Play Store. Here you can see that there is no Google Play Store here. So if you want to reach that, you just have to do that. Scroll down the screen, click on the right top, click on settings, then go to bottom of that and click on applications. Here you can see lots of applications. So if you have a lots of applications, so you can search here easily by your desired application. If you want to use Play Store and you need that, just click on Play. Here you can see the Google Play Store application. Just click on it. So another window will be open. Here you can see that bottom left an option of opening the application. Just click on it. Here you can see that the application has now been opened and you can use it as you like. So just like that, if you need any other application that are not showing in it, you can found it or you can find it by doing the same procedure. Hope you like the video. See you in the next. Like my videos. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.